Hey there, welcome to the Sublue booth. Sublue's been around for the past 8 years making underwater ROVs and artificial intelligence. So we started making drones and ROVs. They're really amazing products on the commercial side of the business. But they decided really the way forward is to move into the consumer space. The first product we came out with for the consumer space is our WhiteShark MAVICS. It's a brand new underwater scooter. We launched this on Kickstarter at the end of last year and started shipping in 2018. So it was really the newest type of DPV on the market. It's the first and smallest with 2 motors. It's only 8 pounds, really easy to carry. A lot of the older scooters out there are just big and bulky and really hard to deal with. One of the really big keys that we got with this is FAA compliance on the battery. So the battery is small enough, you just put it in your backpack, you put the scooter in your suitcase, and you can travel anywhere you want in the world. Really easy to go out to the Bahamas, Florida, Key Largo, Hawaii, wherever you're going to go. You add this under your vacation and it's really, really cool. So from there, now in 2019, we're stepping it up. So the SIBO is the big brother of our WhiteShark MAVICS. So it has a larger battery, longer runtime, 3 speeds instead of the single speed. You got an extra camera mount on front with the 1/4-20 screw that really allows you to put a much better camera housing onto it. It's got a D-ring clip on the back, so for a scuba diver, you can clip into a BCD and have it pull you along with one-hand use. So all these are brand new innovations to the market. No one else has done them. And being first to market is really key, especially in such a small, portable package. It makes a big difference for everyone using these products. So the SWE kickboard is the first powered kickboard on the market. So we've taken the standard child's toy that everyone's familiar with. We've added motors to it with an amazing battery. So the battery technology is patented by us. We have our own factory putting these together. So with a 45-minute runtime, you can change your battery out. So if your kids are fighting over it, they don't have to worry about runtime. Obviously everything's really protected. You're not going to get kids' fingers stuck in there. But you just hold on to it like a normal kickboard and your buttons are right there. It makes it really easy, really convenient. UV protected, so you're not going to have the sun damage it over time. So our SWE and our SIBO brand new products are going to be on the market in March. Our WhiteShark MAVICS is in stock now and shipping, sublue.com or on Amazon or retailers near you.